Pizza as a service. Now, this is very important for us to understand how the things work. You might be thinking, what the hell? But this is really interesting and easy for us to understand and assimilate the things. If you understand what is pizza as a service, you understand what is AI as a service. Now, see, there are different types of what you call as a service. Yep. So we have different types of as a service. The first one is the traditional on-premises deployment, where long time back, if you used to visit IT companies or colleges, they used to have their own computers. They used to have their own LAN. They used to have their own network connection, and they used to have their own setup along with the server. Everything is in the college premises. Traditional on-premise deployment. So if I'm thinking about having a pizza, my kitchen, my home's gas, my oven, my dough, my toppings, my cooking, everything made in house. Then came IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So infrastructure is offered as a service. What do you mean by that? Infrastructure. Is kitchen infrastructure? Yes. Is gas oven? Yes. Pizza dough, toppings, and cooking of the pizza. You understand it? So these all things are offered as a service. Yes, so we cook it in our home, but pizza dough, toppings, and this external in-house. Right? Then platform as a service. You're getting a platform as well. So pizza dough is also coming as a service. Walk in and bake, right? So here, here is the place where you take your pizza dough, you take your toppings, and you go to that place and use their infrastructure and cook your pizza. Okay. So this is what you manage, and this is what the vendors or the third party people manage. Here, platform as a service. So you are only taking toppings and cooking part. Rest all things are available. And then coming on to software as a service. What is software as a service? Well, what's open? Control T. Are they saved on my system? No, right? So this is what you call as a software as a service. If I have to, you know a little bit of Python, right? Oh, forget about Python. You know SQL, right? So look at this awesome thing, mode.com. If I sign in here, I'm already signed up. I don't know why is it troubling me today. So now, yep, what am I trying to tell you over here is, let's see a few of the notebooks. Fine. Moving over here, let's say opening this. You know what is this? I can execute SQL without having MySQL installed. Yep, software as a service. And I can actually execute it. See this, these all are the built-in tables. Since you know it, I'm taking advantage of it. I click on run. Software as a service. You understand it? And yep, you get this table. In fact, if I go on to online compiler, who doesn't know it, right? So many languages. Let's take a Python only. So Python. Hello world program is already written. Okay, let's say hello Odin students. Run. Yep, software as a service. So we understand it, right? How the things are working over here. That's quite nice. Fair enough. Now that we have understood this, the next thing is, what is AI as a service? So obviously, when I say software as a service, so software was offered as a service. So when I say AI as a service, that means that artificial intelligence is offered as a service. So AI today is helping businesses to improve their products, customer experiences, data-driven decisions. In fact, with the help of AI, we are also able to create a book for you. That will be easy, convenient for you as well as me. Yeah. So I was talking about this. This is my AI as a service. Now, yes, I was saying that artificial intelligence, right? It is helping the businesses to improve their products, customer experiences, data-driven decisions. And we are also able to automate time-consuming tasks. In fact, you talk about anything, right? Let's take, for example, chatbots. Or forget about chatbots. I take anything. Even if I take any text analysis software, right? Or machine learning, right? Anything which is in the predictive analytics. There are wide applications of AI, and we know that businesses are looking to implement it. Today, every company wants that tag of AI to be associated with them. I have seen so many companies, honestly speaking, we are AI driven company. And when I ask the employees, okay, so what are you using exactly? You know what I get the answer? Excel. So basically, by doing a little bit of predictive analytics in Excel, by implementing linear regression or logistic regression or k-means clustering in Excel, people say we are AI driven. Why?
To watch the full Odin Talks video, click on the link in the description.